Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Honda Odyssey. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, and power front seats. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.